Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the third-party batteries and charger for Fujifilm cameras. Now, there are a few good reasons why someone would need to get one, and here are some that actually motivated me. The first one is kind of obvious. The NPW126 battery that powers most of XT series cameras up to XT3 model don't really have that much capacity. For example, the battery lasts for about 1.5 hours of active shooting or video recording in my XT200. Now, the second reason is that if you plug in the camera to charge the battery and then turn the camera on, then it actually stops charging. So you cannot use the camera and charge the battery at the same time. So if your battery is completely flat, then you kind of stuck waiting for battery to charge first before you can use the camera again. In other words, your camera turns into quite expensive charger. Another reason to get a third-party charger is that most of XT cameras, including mine, when you buy them, don't actually come with a charger at all. The battery is charged by plugging in the USB cable into the camera, as I mentioned earlier, which means that the camera electronic circuitry is engaged even when we're not using the camera. Something I would rather avoid on this relatively expensive piece of equipment. So a potential solution is to purchase additional batteries and charger, and if you look at the Fujifilm original NPW126 battery, it is not the cheapest at £49 here in the UK, and the Fujifilm charger for this battery will set you back another £54, so we are looking at about £150 or about $170 for a charger and two spare Fuji batteries. Luckily, there are third-party options that will do just fine for considerably less, like this DuraPro kit that cost me £21 here in the UK, and I think these are about $25 or so in the US. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by DuraPro, I just happened to buy this particular brand and it worked for me. I've been using these batteries for more than a year now and they work just fine. My XT200 never had any issues while using these batteries. I used the charger for these batteries and for the original Fuji batteries, so now I don't need to worry about using my camera as a glorified charger. The DuraPro charger also tends to charge the batteries faster than the camera, which is good. Although it will also depend on what type of adapter or power adapter you use. The more powerful the adapter, the quicker it will get to the full charge of batteries, of course. In terms of longevity of the third-party batteries compared to the original Fuji, well, if there is any difference, I actually hardly noticed it. In general, unless I specifically check, I usually don't even know which battery is in the camera. Both batteries have the same claimed capacity as the original Fuji one of 1260 mAh. So what do you get? When you buy this, you will get the two batteries, the charger and the cable. There is no plug included, so you will have to get one of your own. With 3 batteries now, I'm pretty much covered if I go for a day to do some cityscape or wildlife photography. And of course, I will leave a link to this kit in the description of this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please do hit that like button. I believe it's absolutely free. And don't forget to subscribe for more video and photo gear reviews. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.